Hello guys, welcome to channel Gadget Pro. What if I tell you these glasses can take photos, record videos, answer questions, and even help you without touching your phone? And yes, Americans are actually replacing their phones with this. These are the rapid meditation to smart glasses, and Apple should be worried. So you are ready for the our enjoyable and honest review? To escape this video, tell you if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. At first glance, this looks like normal Ray-Ban sunglasses, but inside there's Meta AI camera, microphone, and speakers, all packed into something people won't even notice. First, camera, you can take photos and shoot videos hand-free. Just say command or tap the frame. Second, audio speakers are built into the frame, so you can listen to music or take calls without blocking your ears. Third, Meta AI, this is where things get interesting. You can ask questions, get answers. Even describe what you are saying just by telling. The phone never had a no screen direction, just a natural interaction. In the ways people look convenience and privacy. And these glasses don't screen take. You can wear them in public, at work even while driving, without pulling up your phone every minute. That's why creator travelers and even professionals are switching. Battery life is limited. And yes, privacy concerns are real. Some people around you might not like being recorded. Final verdict, worth it or not. So can replace your phone? Not completely. But for quick tasks, content creation and daily conversations, this is the coolest thing. Two phone free features, and honestly, this is a just Gen 2. Gen 3 could change everything. Would you use smart glasses instead of your phone? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like if you want more gadget reviews update, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more gadget videos.